quality no as a video from kakra. Yeah, you see who no nyesa na maye no hey. If you mean you see video go. Temu. Hello guys, you're welcome to my channel. I go by the name Show about the blogger. And today I have something exciting for you. I ordered some items on the Temu app. I ordered something online, and fortunately for me, the items are in. So we are going to unbox it together for us to see and check whether the items that I bought are the same items that came. Okay, so we are going to check the quality, the size, and everything. Okay, so stick with me and let's dive into the video. Okay, what am I going to do? Okay, so we're going to the entry table. So this is the package. This is how it came. Okay, so my name is on the package and my telephone number is on it. TMB so. Hey, let me to see me. I ordered so many things. This is a mpaboa and tabe. Then them put and I check my coffee you say check. So mpaboa I'm throwing in. Okay. Charlie. Bad so. Okay, my put it across. And then man me order on the 3rd of August. And I buy on 21st August. Okay, so we might 18 days and something in money there. Arrive. Okay, I'm having the quality. Made in China. In China for you. Bad. Now I mention her. Okay, so the size is size 41. Okay, we are about to talk about the channel. So in Paboni. Okay. Uncle me. I don't know the bad, but I see an answer and yet think to be a. It is a debut. Okay, so in fact, one going Chinese next item. So this is the cup. I tell you the answer soon. It's soon your bad. I'm fine to give me a hand. I'm to even come. Really, a moment this one. I'm gonna come on. Let me say. And I must my bottom. Okay, which an uncle different one. Top you so fast and this is the fly Emirates. So online no, and your body there. Okay, fly Emirates. Okay, mood quality in there and your bad. I'm fancy digging when you're ready. And lower lie. Okay, and your bad. You're cleaning. You see a shirt and a short. Okay, in Los Angeles. Okay, top on and your bad. But quality no as a video from kakra. Yeah, you see who no nyesa na maye no hey. We are large. Remember. Okay, if you mean you see video go. Okay, the top no so near shots no. Video see who no ho no nyesa na ti o. You need design. Who no ha I say hey. Okay. Yanko enim. And a brown shoe way. Hey, shoe way the best one channel me do nyame. Do nyame se baba no best one channel. Oh my god. 41. Hey. Why you 40? What the fuck is this? Charlie, you the same as seen. They haven't seen who they no one at you. She will the best one channel me do nyame. I swear to God. Charlie, yeah. So not bad. Hey, so far we na know say quality pa qualitations. Okay, so let's go to the next one. Oh, very nice. Brown shoe, very nice. Access more. Ela more than more. 41 I'm going to kata. Me, me ko yi 41 me say me ba na isa chen me. Ma ko yi kese nso de a. Nya hwe. Esi ade kese ya je ketewa me nsa. Nso yɛ short. The short in the matter wo. Eh. Oh, okay. You see, nice. You see the who no na what here. Qualitations. That's a qualitations. Oh, very nice, very nice. Better tomorrow. Better tomorrow, Martin. Maybe I'm be some shoe be. Oh no, now I'm say pre-order. You should say baby. You say I maybe pay. And easy. Hey, easy. Them that woman. Hey, muha. Ah, eh, easy. The woman. More what? More what? And you crowd the coin. Look at this kind of coin. Last one. Speak away. Hey, but one I'm say pre-order no share, but one it came. Avoid them doing your message one time. Hey, I'm for you in punch and crowns and I'm a hemp one. Hey, the mom can move and I'm with the brain sound. Hey. Ready. The exam is our bogum na. Media marche. But one the mood be correct one and so that's a song. What the fuck, man? What the fuck, man? I'm sorry, man, for one. Oh, challenge, Susa, hey, you the boss suitor. Allah wallahi. Made in China. China from Bokunyo. Hey, Allah wallahi. Babawi. Omo media no so. Oh, Charlie. Really, I'm heavy and very nice. Quality no. Abadam. I know what you. Oh, Charlie. I want in your bad. No, cause I pray what I was say. Charlie, me, I'm the very match of Mati. I feel young speaker. Hey, oh, Charlie. But one I'm saying back on an egg guy. Now we know chain. Man, thank my share. I spent close more than 1,000 Ghana for all the goods. Really? Nyama bom habaso. Mama baso. Let's go. Speaker. It's almost a wireless one how it be na then day. Hey, and speakers who na say fun. I say wa mama je dey answer architect. Ala mo mo twa so na. Me kasa wa me kasa actually. Na na mtie. Mo mbe me ya kasa me kasa. Hey, me hard you. Me I don't forget when you get in boy or kasa. We ni me no hu me baby a. Innocent face no yet but that. Me kasa. Be dede wo fie ha. Hey, mu wura ye mu. Yen boy, you dey use me ara je kan. Manu ana hye ho no. Tala yesu nya bado, amon so ha de be kunkumbi. Allah, somote. Munya wotere. Video. Charlie, so these are the things that I ordered from Temu. Oh, I video come. One or two items been a many anje ho but no kan bad. Nya bad. Upere woni baje won akuduma kotowa de. Se Ghana ha ko udi sa 1,000 Ghana ko ya bunya yi a. Oboyo nkwa ahura ha a otomi enu pe usika besa. Media no so. Okay, so if you enjoyed this Temu unboxing, then give this video a thumbs up. Okay, thanks for watching. I go by the name Showboy the Blogger. See you in my next video. I love you.
subscribe to my channel.